Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you're not new. My name is Michelle, and for today's video, let's do a what fits inside the Parisa Wang Madison medium top handle bag. So if you haven't checked out my latest video of the unboxing, I'll go ahead and link it right over here for you. But yeah, make sure to check out that one so you can get a closer look of the bag, because today I'll just be showing you what fits inside this beautiful top handle bag. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started with today's video. So again, this is the Parisa Wang Madison medium top handle bag, and it opens just like this. It has a magnetic flap that you can just flip open here. So you can either kind of like fish for your items by sticking your hand in here, or you can open it up and get your belongings and see them that way. Right now I just have the removable straps. I'm just going to take that out. So first off, I wanted to see if a full-size wallet could fit in here, and I'm pretty sure it does. So that does fit comfortably inside of this handbag. I also have a water bottle because having water is always nice, and this one actually also does fit inside of this handbag. We have some sunglasses, and these ones also can fit horizontally as well, as you can see here. And then my next biggest item I have to try is just a small notebook, and that also fits very nicely inside of the handbag. I think on the website it says that this can fit up to an iPad mini. I don't have an iPad mini on me, but I do have my iPhone 13 Pro Max, and that's pretty big. And that one also fits very nicely in here as well. So yeah, this bag can fit a lot of larger items, and this one is the medium size, and I think this one also comes, or this handbag also comes in a large size too, but the medium size is already fitting a lot of things. Okay, so now that we tried like a lot of the bigger items, I do have my mini pochette in here. So in case you wanted something a little bit bigger, like a pouch to carry like your smaller items like lip balm, hand sanitizer, lotion, this one also fits inside of here as well, which is really nice because it's like a catch-all in your handbag, because this one doesn't really have any compartments except for this zippered pocket here. Or this smaller flat pocket right over here, if you can see. So in these little smaller ones, if you wanted, maybe you can carry like a little card holder, and this one fits in this zippered pocket really nicely. And then also, let's see, I think even inside of the mini, like the flat pocket too. So yeah, if you wanted to put your card holder here because it's a little bit more important and you want it to be easier to find, that will also fit nicely in this little flat pocket. I also have my, let's see, my key pouch, and this one I love to carry with me. I think this one, I hope it fits in this little flat pocket. And it does. It's a squeeze, but I mean, it does. Let's try it in the zippered pocket. And over there it does as well. So yeah, these pockets are pretty big, pretty spacious, so you can carry things like your wallet, or let's see, lip balm. Lip balm also fits. I don't know if you'd want to put that there, but it can also fit here as well. So like if you had like lipstick and stuff, you could put them in the zippered pocket. Oops. So if you wanted to, you could actually fit a lot more stuff in here if you wanted to carry it with like the locks open, just like this. Your stuff would be pretty protected in here just because of the magnetic flap. But if you did need a little bit more space, you could wear this bag with the little clasp open like this. Or if you wanted to just have it a little bit more secure, you could just wear it with the clasp closed. And this way you can carry just a little bit less stuff, but honestly it still carries just enough. Okay, so let's go ahead and continue. Let's try putting like different combinations in here. So maybe I wanted to put a full-size wallet in here. I'll put the notebook here. Let's see, my cell phone. I think that will fit inside of there as well. I'll put some lotion. hand sanitizer and a lip balm, and I think all of that will fit really nicely, as you can see here, and the shape is still just the same. Let's try another combination. So I'll take out the hand sanitizer. Oops, the lip balm fell. The lotion, take out my cell phone because maybe I want to keep that in my pocket. But let's try a smaller wallet. So this one is the Dior Saddle Flap card holder. I'll put that one in there. I'll put my mini pochette. That one can fit either standing up or also laying down outside. Maybe I'll just keep it on its side for now. I have the viral Amazon light. I actually really love this thing. And that one fits comfortably standing up or also laying down as well. I have my key holder. I'll take my hand sanitizer. And let's see, maybe my sunglasses. And I think this will fit just fine just because the flap is a little bit curved like that. But yeah, all of that can fit. So as you can see, this bag can fit quite a lot. Let's try another combination. So maybe you don't have a wallet. I'll do the little card holder instead. So let me put that back into the little flap. Maybe I'll take my water with me, but that takes up a lot of space. Let me see if it actually can fit standing up. No. So that one is a no. You need to either have a smaller water bottle or have it laying down, but I'll have it laying down. Here's the case for my vlogging camera. This is the Canon G7x, and that one fits nicely as well. Here are my AirPods. Let's see, I got my lotion. And I still have some room in here. Here's my cell phone. And that also fits in here as well. And yeah, I think, let's try my hair clip. I think that, does that fit? Okay, yeah, I think that fits as well inside of the bag. And there we have it. It still all fits. And sometimes I don't even like to have my hair clip inside of my bag. Instead, what I'll do is just hang it onto the strap, just like this, and it just gets the job done as well. Love always having a hair clip with me, especially when I'm wearing my hair down. So yeah, this is the Madison Medium top handle bag. It does fit a lot of stuff. A full-size wallet, sunglasses, a little notebook, even a water bottle, as you can see here. If there's something that you're curious to see if it fits inside, let me know in the comments and I can definitely try it out for you and let you know. This bag is so spacious. You can fit quite a lot of stuff in this bag, and even more when you unhook these little clasp here in the front. But yeah, this is such a beautiful handbag. Definitely fits a lot more than I had expected. And if you do need something that fits a little bit more, this handbag also comes in a large size as well. So I'll link them both in the description box below. But yeah, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you found this helpful, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!